Hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Skinner again. I am going to do some math with you for Tuesday, April 21st. Okay, so we've been talking a little bit about shapes. So tell me, what shape am I holding up? It's just a basic flat circle. How about this? This is a sphere. Can you say sphere? Sphere. A sphere is a round shape. It's solid. You can hold it. It's like a ball. So think for a minute some things that are spheres. Did you say beach ball? Those are spheres. Baseball, that's a sphere. A tennis ball is a sphere. A golf ball is a sphere. Those are all spheres. Soccer ball, basketball. Miss Skinner has some tiny spheres here. It's chocolate, but it's round and it's solid. And I can hold it. It's a sphere, a chocolate sphere. Those are the best kind of spheres. Okay. We are going to work on this page. It's in the Tuesday portion of your packet. It actually has 2 pages. These 2. This one first. Then this one, okay? At the top it says search for spheres. Okay. I'm going to use my whiteboard because we're going to do problem 3 together. So go down to the bottom, find number 3 where it says challenge. We're going to do it together because I think it'll be fun. So, if you need to pause the video to make sure you have a pencil, that's fine. That's the nice thing about videos. You can pause them whenever you need to. I'm going to read it to you. It says, Miguel found 6 spheres in his room. He found 5 more spheres in the kitchen. How many spheres did he find in all? In the space below, show how you solve this problem. Now, we haven't done a whole lot of these problems together, so I'm going to do it with you. So, we know he found 6 in his room. So I would like you to draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then put the number 6 underneath it. So you're writing this on your paper. Then I want you to put a box around those dots and that number. Okay? Now, we're going to put the 5 spheres that he found in the kitchen over here. Leave a space, and we're going to put 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can put 1 in the middle, just like on a die. Okay, and put the number 5 underneath it. And put a box around that. Okay? So now I want you to put a plus sign. We were just starting to talk about plus signs when school got out. Okay? So we have 6 plus 5. We were working on counting one part or saying that number and then counting the rest. So let's say 6, and we'll count the rest. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So that's our answer. I'm going to put it equals here, equal sign, 11. He found 6 in his room, 5 in the kitchen for a total of 11. When it says in all, that almost always means add. Okay? So, number 3 is done. For number 1, this part, it will be really fun for you. It says in the table, this is a table, it's like a chart. You're going to go around your house and search for objects that are spheres. Okay, remember a sphere, solid, round, you can hold it. These are spheres. Don't mistake them for flat circles. So if you find something flat that's round like this, that's a circle. It's not a sphere. A sphere is like a ball. Okay, so if you have a basketball at home, that's a sphere, unless it's flat. If your basketball's flat, it's not a sphere, is it? Soccer ball, that's a sphere. Maybe you have some toys like this. Maybe there's some candy that's spheres. Just go around your house with your mom and dad's permission. Make sure that they are okay with you looking. And find spheres. And you will write them in here. Okay? So if you find candy that's a sphere, write candy. Remember, sound things out. If you need help spelling, mom and dad or older sisters and brothers can help, or grandma and grandpa, whoever you're with. But do your best sounding out. If you find a beach ball, write that. Soccer ball, write that. And if you find more than one of a certain ball, like maybe you found 2 soccer balls, put 2. If you find like 1 tennis ball, just put a 1 there. Tennis ball, 1. Okay? So you do your best writing to put what kind it was and then the number. Okay, then down here at number 2, it says how many different kinds of spheres did you find in your house? I don't want you to worry about the word different kinds. That can be a little bit confusing. I just want you to count up all the spheres you found. Okay? So if you found a total of like 2 basketballs, 2 soccer balls, and a candy, 5. Okay, so just add up all of them. Don't worry about what kinds they were. That's that page. Then you're going to do this page. Use crayons or colored pencils to color in just the spheres. Remember, sphere is solid. So this is a basketball. That's solid, so that's a sphere. You'd color it. This one is a pizza. A pizza is flat, isn't it? Kind of like this CD. Pizza's flat, so it's not really a sphere. So you wouldn't color that one. Soccer ball, that's a sphere. This snowman is made of 3 spheres. Okay? So you're going to color just the spheres. Then at the bottom, how many pictures of spheres did you color in? So you'll count them up and write that number. Down here it says, which pictures could you combine to show 20 spheres? Ooh, so you'll have to count and see which ones might have 20. Okay? Or some that you could put together to make 20 spheres. I'll give you a hint. I think it might have something to do with fruit. That's just a hint though, okay? Alright, so that's how you do that page. Before we go, I want us to practice our counting by tens. Remember every morning when we added a new link to our chain And then we'd count the chains for the number of days we'd had in school. We'd count each chain as 10 because there were 10 links. Let's practice that. For each 10, we're going to hold up a finger, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 tens makes 100. Okay, bye-bye, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.